Hi guys, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Okay, I hope you guys had a nice weekend and you guys are all ready for the trading week ahead. Okay, so for me, a very good start to the Monday. Okay, so we currently over 500 pips in the NAS. Yes, the US Tech. Alright, US Tech Nasdaq. Alright. That's how my broker bring it across on the platform IC Markets. Okay, and you can, as usual, you can go verify this on your own chart. You can go verify this on your own chart and go check it out for yourself. See what the Nasdaq did on the 1 minute. Okay, and this is the setup here. Okay, you can go verify that on your own chart. Okay, so over 500 pips, 550 pips. So I think that is all good for me. Okay, still moving up. Maybe I should just hold on to it a little bit and see what happens. Yes, it's still moving up. But yeah, guys, currently in 587, it's well hovering. Okay, and yeah, as usual, live account. Okay, it's a live account. All right, it's not a demo. Okay, so yes, the beast is another beast on its own. Okay, very simple trading rules, guys. Long as you follow your strategy, you can achieve the same results without a doubt. Okay, so this is the movie. I think we got in around about here. We got in around about in this region here. Okay, like I said, you can go verify this on your own chart. Okay, so in my opinion, I think the market might come up to this level, to that level there. Okay, might come up to that level and start retracing. Okay, so yeah, any case, guys, just wanted to bring you updates. Still going up. Okay, all right, still going up. So I think we're gonna shut down for now. Okay, so yeah, this is Mr. M standing by. Okay, so over 700 pips, guys, live account. Okay, live. All right, US Tech, as you guys can see there, over 700 pips. Okay, all right, so this is Mr. M standing by. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ciao for now.